Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This 650 twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled cruiser just arrived with only 1,700 miles. Beautiful metallic white paint scheme, super clean, low mileage. Come on by. Make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true. This gorgeous 2018 Vulcan S, only $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.